Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Rohit, Sam, I'm a lovely tram. Let's see if we have any. I don't even know how to remove this thing. Okay, we have a better structure here. If we look at the very, we have the final draws, our that laws of final draw. We took the previous day law, but we didn't have any obvious reaction here, so we are predicting it will flow through these regions today, Friday. What is the weekly? There is a weekly low. We struck these two weekly highs, and we still have this previous week a lot that is still sitting there, which will be this low here. So if we go to the daily, if we are bullish, there is no way today we are going to be bullish because we have a high chance of going bullish. I mean, today is very, very bullish in my opinion. So let's see. Even if this fails, I don't care actually. So this is the previous hour low we have right there. What about the 4 hour? We are going to take that 4 hour. So before market open, if we can take this low, uh, if we can get a setup to that low, that will be my first setup and the end of the trade. Okay, let's get our trade locker because I think we may get trades before that 1 hour. No trades in the 1 hour. But equal loss. Yeah, we have equal loss. This is an equal loss area, so we have convention to that loss also. 1 hour there is nothing to be aware of in the 1 hour because we have nothing. What about the 30 minutes? 30 minutes we have nothing. We have a gap right there, but gap right there. So that is also 50 minutes. So we can see we rise in the 15 minutes. We tap into this level. We need to also once more mark this level right there. Okay, so we delivered into this 5 minutes. Already we delivered into this 5 minutes. So we said we delivered this 5 minutes. We inverse this 5 minutes here. Yeah, there is no 5 minutes here. We inverse this 3 minutes, just 1 minute here. At least that's that. There's no way we are going to be bullish in this market. And we have no rejection slots. So if you want to take a short setup, it need to deliver into this gap first. Okay, that's a problem because I think when the market opens, it will flush down first. So anyway, I'm going to take a demo trade here because when the market opens, there is a high chance we are going to go. I'm not going to trade on my real account here. Just taking a market order. I'm taking $500 risk and going to sell this shit. So I'm taking my trades on my funded account. If we sweep this 50 minute and goes to each other, this is just for educational purpose only. You have 1 minute right there. Let's leave this here. Let's see if we can inverse this 1 minute. Uh, we will go break in at this low. I wanted to take this high first, but it is, I have less chance for that. So to market open, let's see. You didn't take this yet. 1 minute to the market open. We inverse that this one minute here. So I'm not taking this anyway. This could be our ideal setup if we are taking this trade for a second time. I don't like that, so I'm not taking this. Yeah, 5 minutes here at this one. 15 minutes at was. Wow, we aced that, man. We got what we actually need. Yeah, perfect. Okay, actually, let's get ready to take our trade on the trade locker. I'm risking 100 to this trade. It is not closing. Um, So we took our result. What that means, our bias is almost right. Here we are actually inside this level, but we need it above this level. That's it. We don't have an inversion. We'll even get a 30 second. Just to take this item. Look at this, it failed. That's why I don't take this type of trade. I only take demo for this item. Let's see the kings on. We are at the previous place. No, we non-stop from kings. We have London highs above us. Only hoping for this to get. I mean, we swept the previous day low. This is what I actually need. You still have this low to get taken. I just need an inversion to the downside. That's it. I'm taking this right. You can see that we edged this block here. Some people take this inversion to the upside, but that is not my setup. I am actually bearish. Some people take this trade. We are For some people we are extremely bullish because we took the daily low. Like here we can see we took the daily low. So some people this is a very bullish scenario, but for me it is a bearish scenario. Close. Final draw is this low here. That is an equal loss good. So if we can get a trade into that level, in a format 3 minute, something like this. Exit on the 5 minute. Okay. You should look at this 3 minutes. We did form that 3 minute, but Now we need to wait for this 3 minute to get in. So I'm extremely bullish. I don't like even waiting for that 3 minutes. I hope it only involves in 1 minute. I will wait for that 3 minutes to get involved anyway. I should follow my rules rather than taking random trades. Okay. And if we can inverse in 1.5 minutes, that's the best thing. Here we have the perfect price action for a shot, but this is not allowing us to take a cost below this rate in 1 minute. Is it possible? Yeah, this could be a good trade if we can close below that. We didn't close below. Unfortunately, we are rejecting of that level. There is a chance that we will make a 5 minute. Now we need to wait for another this trade. Or else a 3 minute, 5 minute gap. Now I only want this 1 minute to get inverse because draw is very, very strong. Before the 5 minute can form, if it can inverse this level, that could be our trade. It is delivering to the high side, ignoring our rules. Allowed to take a 30 second from here. I don't want 30 seconds. That is another dark thing. I want this 1 minute to get involved, and we will go. Oh, fuck it. Even if we invest this 1 minute, that is a 5 minute shit. Just open up. Okay. You say it is not even a thing. We need to invest 5 minutes. കണ്ണിനകൽ മീനച്ചും മീനത്തനനാന. One minute is the key here. Find it is a random level. Here we have another problem. If we took that law, that is another problem. We did took that law. Now we need to wait for that 5 minute to get inverted. Or we should get an inversion to the upside. This is not even valid. We don't need to look at that, right? I should at least get a 5 minute inversion here. For sure. This could be a trade. And the problem here is we are inside a 5 minute and it's against my rule. I hope it doesn't take this level here. Don't take that low, bro. Just hold it for a minute. Wait for 1 more minute. Okay. Yeah. It to keep this low also. Should take that 1 minute break. Yeah. Okay. Now we are kind of bullish. Because this 15 minutes. We can deliver into that height. This previous. That's our only ideal situation here. I'm taking it either way because I have good conviction. We didn't close. Both are inside this level, so it's flying, bro. Just calm down. Come on. Come on. Oh, not even took the high yet. But it's flying, man. I can't even target this level. This is too much. What type of shit is this? Okay, I can't even take this longs now. What is this? Frustrating us. not to trade this market. Man, look at this, man. I don't even get this information at this level here. Look at this, how sad it is. And now it took this draw that I am looking to target. What is even this, man? Very, very shit. At least I can go short from here if the setup forms. Now even I can't even go short from here actually. We still have that 5 minutes, right? If 5 minutes doesn't involve it, we can do that. We get five. And I will reduce my size, position size for this flick. Like, bias is literally nothing. We don't have a clear price. In this price action, it is confirmed that we have indecisions in the market. Most likely to go down, man. So taking that previous our high. Kind of shitty. It is lagging. That means we are bullish. Where's my fucking coming? In the scenario here, actually, if you ask me if this is good in current condition, I may say it is bad. I'm reducing my risk for this trade. I'm only risking 20 for this trade, okay? If it is inversing, I'm only taking $20, but let's see the reactions. Then inverse. It's better to take this previous hour high and giving us a short opportunity. We have a bullish scenario here. Like, this is far better than taking a trade. No, I can't trade ES, but if I was trading ES, I will definitely take this. Risk gain by 500 to concentrate. Then let's see. Break even at this high. This high. I only see we have indecisions here. I don't even lie short from here. I'm taking that short man. I like it to take the high first. Then short. There is a short setup here. You can see here, but it is weak as fuck, and I really don't want to take this. It may play out because recently this type of trades are playing out because I don't know why. Because it is playing out. This week is full of this type of shit. I don't know why. For our next, I think this was the previous family. Hmm. Is it a fine video? No. I think there's a dream. Yeah. Rejecting of this 15, that is a scenario, but my opinion, if I want a short, let this 3 unit get into this. What a shit ass price action. This is the ideal Friday scenario. Where is my fucking box? I mean, there is a good chance after we close these 5 minutes. I mean, the 5 minute will close around this region, inside this region, and after this, we get an inversion from this area to this height. There is a good chance for that. I think Pro is there, but something can happen. Look, this 1 hour make the doji and we are rejecting of a 15 minute. That means the 15 minute is invalid. Just look at this 1 minute, making a doji. Look at this 15 minutes, fucking doing nothing. It means that 15 minutes may be a fake one, and we have a good scenario to go higher into that level. 15 minutes, closing 15 minutes. After making this could be a 4 hour in the ES Nasdaq, so this very very sensitive area. I'm taking any long set of here, okay? Oh, it's long red played out. And we will break in this. I have trade today. This price action is shitty as fuck. If I'm using my previous strategy, I will definitely take this shot. This shot is my so I will take this shot. Most probably I will take this shot. I aim for a 1 to 1. Very short. You can see the shot is not so but aggressive. Yeah, we did make the second 1 hour candle, and this is where we decide whether we need to go lower or higher. So let's see if we can get a 3 minute to end. Okay. No entry scenarios anywhere. For 30 seconds. Now 30 seconds. Hello. This is a trend that we should avoid. Like you can see the 2 1 hour candles, like one made a doji, one made a bullish reactionary candle, kind of. Yeah, it's definitely going higher. I'm taking this if we doesn't to the highs of the candle. I got a trade. I think I should take this trade in 25 seconds if we didn't make this high yet. I'm going break even. I'm throwing my stop to this level. And this is demo account. This is not my trade. I'm going to take this trade here. If you get a good close, not. I'm not taking it. I actually didn't get a good close. Should I take this? Actually, I should, man. I'm lowering my risk and $20 risk trade. Only $20 risk trade. Okay. Break even at this high trade is this around here. Stop loss at this low here. TP around 121, 122. Yeah. I'm going break even at here. I'm running at this level to at least. Oh man, look at that. Then I got break even. Yeah, I got break even. I didn't put TP here. I was thinking to get at least 1 to 2 because I only raised $20 and it got break even. Breach, no problem. This is my idea here. I'm going break even here. If we are really bearish, I should get an inversion here. Okay, an inversion from here is the best fucking trade, and I'm going full $50 risk. If you get an inversion from here, this was my trade around this. Yeah, let's make another one. Uh, yeah, a lot of LR above us. These are equal lows. We got break even at this here. Everything is great looking. We have a bearish price action. I just need a little bit more good momentum. When they're lacking momentum, we have a 2 minutes, so we should wait for the 2 minute also. So, I should put TP at 1 to 1, right? You see how that reacted when I placed that trade? Like this was my trade entry. I put my SL around here. My TP at one, TP one to targeted for 1 to 2. But instantly I placed this trade. Did you see that reaction? That I am seeing. But the only reason I didn't full test the 1% risk because it doesn't actually deliver from a 5 minute that I actually don't like. So why should you take it if you don't like it? Yeah, technically in a 4 hour gap right now, I think, kind of. So it could be a very good shot if you can get this. But here we have a bullish structure. I'm gonna stop trading here. Already got a one break even. I think this is reliably equal highs. This is 26, 30. I have no idea, man. They, oh, actually, we have the London Heights there, and we swept the previous day low. That's a great setup. Why I'm feeling I'm still bearish? Is there something wrong with me actually? Credit cost about this, yeah. Am I marrying my bias? Probably it's a 5 minute distance. Actually, this was the 930 low, so this short was actually cute. This was a 930 low, yeah. I have no ideas for setup. On this levels now. Let's do this level. Here is 7, 8. They are running through a pow. Think about this. This is pure accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and manipulation, distribution piece. But here we have no pullback and nothing. If we afraid to destroy how do you go future? It's 8:30 actually. I'm messing up the time. Yeah. We I don't do speak just 30. My only trade was this. It could be a break even, but it ended up in a break even. So I really want to short. Either way, I'm okay to do this because you're inside this 1 hour on this candle here, but this is same level as that, I think. Yes. Time to delete all this. We don't need this last candle there. Let's do some back testing. What is wow. To 7 p.m. news, 8:45. 7 p.m. news. Where is the 7 p.m.? 7 p.m. is I should move it to IST. Okay, this was the 7 p.m. Yes, this was it. This is the time. Wait a minute. Yes, time. Most of the people, I mean, like 90% of the people will long here, like at this low after we see this reaction. But nobody will see it is how choppy it is or how bad this price action looks. But I see that and we respect her here, clearly respected here. It is 10, 10 a.m. Right? It's after 11 a.m. 10 a.m., 10 a.m. 5. Just an name opening, I think. This opening low here. If we take a first, I think we should go break it up. Break it because I think this is the 10 a.m. opening candle, huge volume. This is the same 10 a.m. If you are bullish, we can make this as our target. If you are bearish, this low is our target. We have a second scenario here, but I don't think it will happen soon enough. Mm. Ah. And this law is 940 law. Where is 940? It is the same law. As for a reminder, we can also draw this element here. It is no longer a sensitive zone. We just need to be aware of that level. Nothing else. I think if we can inverse this, a perfect A plus setup will form. I think we are forming an A plus to the side. Today opening range is still there. We took support here on the previous the low. We find this one of that. Buy here is literally over complicated as fuck. There is a 2 minute long scenario here. So this 1 hour gap. But if I need to take that long, what should be delicious? It's good. I literally stare on this chart for almost, it's been almost 1 hour. I'm just staring at this chart. I'm not even seeing any rates. Why it's that? I don't know. Actually, I played badminton. I played, I even go a little bit. Sorry. Sorry if you feel uncomfortable seeing that. I don't care. Actually, I this man, this is very bad, very bad, very bad. I don't even like. Look at this, the 8 a.m. opening, the 7 a.m. opening, literally bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. The 9:30 is still rusting there. The 9:30 is the one that made this support. Look at that. We literally bounced off from this 9:30. Like here we traded below the 9:30 and closed above it and consolidated in that region and distributed. This both 1 hour is showing us there is a little like selling pressure here. So anytime there is can be a sell off can happen. We can see the London high is still sitting above us. Can see the London high is sitting above us this level. There is a 1 15 minute gap. Yeah. Literally, there is a 2 minute inversion here happened just here, but that is minor. But here we can see is respecting the previous law. Ah, prices is back, and my shuttlecock is I don't know where it is. Usually just smash it to the wall, but it is not happening. Should I take a 30 second? No, don't take a 30 second. That is against your rules, okay? Why my trade off is not fucking working? Actually, this is a good shot. It's fine. This is a 30-second shot. May can happen, may not. There is a 1 minute to if we zoom in, but I don't want to take that type of trades. Every trade I am taking here that you can see the positions, I think it is completely a demo trade and it is a completely a 50-50 trade. Uh, so don't take that trade. This is just for fun. All the trades are actually 2K. It is my 2K in my phone. So next to the 7 a.m. as our support. So we should probably break that to the downside to go long lower shots. Uh, that kind of bullishness. We probably go to this red zone. Um, 1 hour and back. Okay, that's it. This is a sure thing that we will hit that level. So, let it hit, right? The rule play it is on. Uh, we cut our losses into half. If you want, the, there is no good trades here. There is zero good trades. Just open up the image. That is the control. Yeah, we respected this setting. What is oh my god. And what I'm even doing, man, this is a really price hash, man. I'm just like looking for price. I'm waiting until either that finally get mitigated or the finally get invoiced. Okay. Until then, let's scroll reels. Let's wait. Let's put it in a 5 minutes and wait. We can put an alert. Alert there, so we will get a beep beep. But through my headphones, including my headphones. Um, like I said, so Formula B, I actually bottomed at the ITP player because the era was pretty crazy. You need to try to get extra points at relatively low levels just because I know I can get better on. I know just went through them. But yeah, I was bearish for delivering out 500 for rally gap. We're holding 15 that gap. We tried the first one, the pre-market got stopped break even, and then the second one worked. And yeah, you can see you're taking on Tracy platforms. I just made I think I made about 300 bucks on this video. This is 55, makes no sense. And yeah, great platform. Usually dodgy, respond to emails. I think this tops up recipe. All right. $10,024.40, and that has now been और दोस्तों देखना चाहते हो आपको भारत की ताकत चलो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ मेक इन इंडिया में बने हुए बैग ट्वेल्व पे आपको दिखता है ट्वेल्व की तरह सोशल मीडिया पर समाज में बढ़ता हुआ विश्व के What's the name? Sunny A's. We can't pay much. How about the money? So what is it about? I told you looking for a driver. What's the name? Sunny A's. We can't pay much. You know what pisses me off? Hey, that is exactly what we need. I will to go wrong. I'm not taking this on my funded account because this is too choppy. So I just take this on my real, like my, what is this name? This demo account out on my real account. Account Chennai is supported. Okay. Going given below this order block. No, this is question. Exactly from higher. Oh, where is that? Look at that. I'm holding this. This is demo, man. I want to be emotional. Huh? Yeah. കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് ശരി. ഓ വേണ്ട 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 തുറന്ന തുറന്ന ഉള്ള ഈച്ചയും പാറ്റയും എല്ലാം അകത്ത് കയറിട്ട് രാത്രി കിടന്നുറങ്ങാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. ആ തുറന്നു തുറന്നു. ആ ആ കാണാണ്. എന്തുവാ? ആ ഉം. അത് ശരി. ആർക്കാ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടാത്ത? ഇല്ല. അതിനിപ്പോ എന്നാ? ഇന്നല്ല. ചേച്ചിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാണോ ചേച്ചി എടുക്കേണ്ടത്? ചേച്ചി കൊടുത്തു നോക്കിയോ? ആ ആ അത് ശരി. ഏ അതെ ഇത് കണ്ട് ചേച്ചി And I really want to take this shot on the right again. Should I take it? Yeah, I should. I was risking $25 and taking this trade. Oh man, my account is not opening right. My trade locker is not opening. I already missed out, man. I'm trying it either way. Let's see. I think we are instead of five. Yeah, instead of five here. So that's a bad. I should have taken it here, man. My trade locker was Didn't open that trade off. This was a really A plus trade, man. This was an A plus. Second trade I am missing because I looked into my reels. Reels will harm you guys. Reels will really harm you. Man, this should be a trade, man. Check. Why did I miss it? Ah, this could be a break even either way, I think. Yeah, this 5 minute does react. So that's why I wanted that before 5 minutes, before the level investment. Missed it. Okay, either way, no problem. We'll come back tomorrow. Only one break even day. So I should have taken this trade, not the regret. It was second trade that I am missing because of looking into reads. The fact, 1 to 1.5, around 30, $30. If I was 24 dollars. The only reason I was kind of afraid to take lower my risk because when I see the reaction, it was around the green candidate was something like this, above this wick, both of them. So that is kind of a bad signal. Man, I should have paid attention to this. Anyway, hmm. More I am seeing, more I am regret. More than see. We see it around when we see from 8 p.m. to see 8 p.m. to 8:15 here. So it's around 3:15. Right. 8:15. Oh, that was a trade that I am already in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When was I'm on a demo trade. Yeah, this is a trade. I think when I say this law, it still has to take on. I say this will be taken one day, but we have no entry to this law side. We didn't inverse this 1 hour, 1 minute today. I think there was a 30-second inversion. That's why Doji took that 30 seconds. Doji took this law that I was looking for a 1 minute, but I didn't get a 1 minute. This was the only trade. If we take a 1 minute, and that will be a bad trade. I need at least to put my top here. So when I take this trade, it will be a break even. So anyway, I think when we see it from here, like I was in a short when the market opened. I was aiming for this low, but my primary target is from this 50 minutes. We are 11 trades overside. That idea doesn't work. They 1 to 1. So I only target 1 to 1 every time. So anyway, I was not our trade. But still happy to be here. and I am done for the day. Okay, let's remove all unnecessary things. My today's trade was this, right? Using my stuff here. Okay, for a one to one. So I want to try a one to one, but I was waiting for a one to two. Would happen eventually. And this was a break even for highly risk $20 here. That's right. $. This was tier three. From there was a, I think, it was a Bentley. Maybe I think that is a, yeah, from a 3 minute, delivering from a 3 minute FEB. That 1 hour draw was very, very, I think that is a 2 minute inversion. Let me check. Actually, there is no inversion there. That was a conventional trade and it played out bit. And let's look at the 30 seconds. And there was a 30 seconds. 5 minute continuation. Sorry, 5 minute continuation with VO3. VO3 also our main objective. Time of entry was 10-1. Dual was identified via another one. As an trade because we are kind of choppy. Lot of time throwing. It is already on like this. going to the now so no used to 20 and to keep things live. Um, draw was so obvious what we are and anything was you. But there was a 1 hour imbalance about also. ശരിയാണ് this was a really good trade, man. What I'm even thinking, well, other comedy is this one. Let me see this from that stream, okay? So that's it for the day. Nothing done for the day. Very, very bad day. Bad day. I actually lost shit. Okay, almost 1 hour, 1 hour.